All right, ready? Hang on tight.
But I was like flying.
Talent show!
Oh.
Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love, we should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
Alright guys, we are back. We made it. We did it. Right, Livy?
Yeah.
Got the stressful part out of the way. Time to have some fun. Gonna have a big breakfast and then head to the lake. It did start raining on us, so hopefully the picture still turned out okay and hopefully the lake is warm and the sun comes out. Right, Hallie?
Yeah.
Wake up early, but you're grateful that you're awake. If we have gratitude, we'll be just so happy. This year's theme, gratitude is everything. All right, we made it to the beach. Who's excited?
I am.
So there's a trampoline, a water trampoline on the lake, and we've got some jet skis. The sun is out, it's warmed up quite a bit. So this is where the rentals are, and we are just driving straight up here with this private access to the beach. So let's do it. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Okay, we've only been to the beach once over spring break. Check out that vlog if you haven't.
I'm making a hole and we can go in.
Oh, okay. And this is a lake beach, so we're excited. All right, there's Dad. He went ahead and got the rental.
Found seashells already.
Found seashells? Are you guys gonna get in the water?
Yeah.
Not yet?
Seashells.
Okay. Yeah, I want to see you guys on the trampoline. All right, Ty and Marcos are going out on the jet ski, braving that cold water. Gonna go out there and go on the water trampoline.
It's gonna be cold.
I can't wait. I'll be watching from a distance. You can see it all the way out there. It looks way far, but it's a little cold, but the girls are loving the sand over here. Are we building a sand castle?
No, we're becoming mermaids.
Oh, we're becoming mermaids. Okay. Are we becoming mermaids?
Yep.
Okay, Ty's ready to take it off. Just waiting on Marcos. Okay, you guys heading out?
We're heading out.
Gonna be so fun. Gonna go jump on that trampoline?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna jump off.
You're gonna jump off? We'll see. Maybe you'll want to. Hey, have fun!
You guys ready? All right, let's get this started. I can't do it fast yet. I have to get out of the no wake zone. It's beautiful.
Go fast.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get
right, this is beautiful weather. It's gotten a lot warmer. It's still cold water. I asked the worker here if it gets any warmer. The water is always cold. Doesn't matter if it's July, August. The sun is shining now, finally, and I'm out just for another ride. Let's hit it.
How was it?
Ask Dad when he gets
Not good?
It wasn't that bouncy, and I didn't want to get pushed off.
Was it cold or was it fun?
It was fun. This one!
Let me see it. Oh, a butterfly?
I call it a butterfly seashell. Get all that mud away. Yeah, I don't want to be cold.
What you doing, Stella?
We're making cold in this one so it can feel more.
Okay.
Warm.
Okay, Stella, you ready to go?
Yeah, but
All right. That's okay. I'll hold on to you. I'll go with you. Can I go with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's that? Yay!
You ready?
Ready, Stella? Stella's
Yes,
first
you are.
time on the jet ski. It's gonna be so fun. I'll hold on to you so tight.
It's gonna
Okay?
be fun. I'm not gonna go super fast. All right, ready? Hang on tight.
I gotcha.
Let's go!
But you don't get that courage, cause you can handle my game. No,
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
The boat.
The going on the bumps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I was like flying.
You were flying?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it felt like it sometimes, huh? But I was holding on tight to you. Did you have fun? Okay.
life's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, cause you can fall into my pace. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access.
Alright, this is the first annual 2022 Anderson Talent Show! Alright, let's get it started. Make sure to give everyone a warm round of applause. First up is Cal! Cal is going to show us his tricks. Next up, we have Elsie dancing with Will.
Be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark. Yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can hide. Want this will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
And that is a wrap, guys. It is late. Everyone's in bed. Me and Chelsea are just retiring. Everyone's super tired. Such a great day today. We had a fun family photo shoot. We went to the lake. You saw all that. So much fun. We got a little red, a little pink there. It was only like 75 degrees max. And we were all puckered out. We had that talent show, which was super fun to see everyone do their talents. And now here we are at night, late, ready for another day tomorrow. Closing it out right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will catch you next time. See ya! Yeah, this is a workout. Not. This is an e-bike. Beautiful view of the lake. Ties up there. How is it so far? It's a nice easy ride up the long hill, that steep hill. Makes it easy with the e-bikes.
Hey guys, and happy Friday. As you saw earlier, Marcos and Ty took you along with them for an e-bike ride. They just got back and the girls are all headed right now to a girls' lunch here in Bear Lake. The guys are staying with the kiddos. This morning the kids were just playing. This house is so awesome because there's that playground outside. There's the indoor kitchen clubhouse thing. It's just great. Like, we were just chatting, playing games. Kids were doing their thing. It's been amazing.
The cinema room.
TP, cinema room, all the things, right? Tons of food, family, what more could you ask for? So I'm about to head out. I'll hand the camera over to Marcos for lunch. This afternoon, we've got a fun Fear Factor game going on that my mom made up. She's so clever with these things and so creative, and it's gonna be fun. She said there's literally live crickets and worms and things like that. I have no idea what's coming up, but we are taking you guys along with us. You will not wanna miss it, so stay tuned.
Lunch was so good, had some brats, some hot dogs, the kids had a blast. So now they're just watching a movie, playing some games. Little ones are outside. We're just hanging out, being chill right now. Nothing super scheduled right now. Go Stella! Oh! Oh! Go, go, go! Yeah! Oh! You guys warming up?
Yeah.
That looks super nice.
All right, me and Marcos are on dinner duty with Mandy and Mom. We've got quite the yummy spread here. Baked potato bar. What you coloring? This is cool, huh? Tablecloth? That's way fun. Well guys, it's been a super chill day. Let's get this view behind me, right? Got the lake back there, the mountains. Kids are just playing down here on the playground. Ring the bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Kids are gonna be doing a movie night, going to bed a little bit early, and they're just having so much fun.
Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning.
Jevin wants to be a kid again.